I'm Whitney Wright, and this is Ezoic Academy.
Hello, and welcome to the Ezoic Academy. Let's look at the Site Speed Accelerator's preview feature. Previewing a version of Site Speed Accelerator allows you to ensure there are no conflicts or issues on your site, test how fast your PageSpeed Insights score will be, and try multiple experiments before going live on your site. Click on Preview next to the version you have created. Once you click Preview on the version, we recommend taking this URL preview link into an incognito window. This is especially important for those using WordPress and logged into their admin. Ezoic often won't show optimizations on a WordPress admin logged in user, as to not disrupt the way the site looks. The preview URL will work inside a Chrome browser incognito window and will display the site as it would be with the new site speed optimizations in place. What's more, you can even run the preview URL through the Google Pagespeed Insights tool to see how fast the site will be before ever activating it. Previewing will allow you to check that everything looks normal on your site. Images appear, content isn't missing, and ads are showing. In many cases, you'll see a screen that says Preview Loading. If you do not see that, the preview can take up to 15 to 20 minutes to work properly. Once you are certain your site is functioning properly, return to your Site Speed dash and select Activate. Now, this version of SiteSpeed is live on your site. Sometimes it can take 15 to 20 minutes for the active SiteSpeed version to completely register on your site. Thank you for joining the Ezoic Academy.